Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and unedited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our Patreon. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of shoplifting, trespassing, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and being under the influence, and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
Count 7411. We're going to stop southbound outers at 111/3. In New Jersey. So white Mercedes unknown 198.
State police. Give your license, registration, insurance.
As our HONJ star Gia Giudice was heading down to the Jersey Shore on July 19, 2021, Trooper Meyer of the New Jersey State Police pulled her over on the Garden State Parkway for speeding 96 mph in a 65 mph zone. Jersey traffic was not enough to slow her down. After she admitted to having prior traffic tickets as well, the trooper went to run her license. Court records indicate that Gia Giudice has gotten at least 2 additional speeding tickets, including one for going over 80 mph in June of 2020 and one for going over 100 mph in August of 2019. In both of those cases, Gia Giudice was able to plea bargain them down thanks to her famous attorney James Leonard Jr., ESQ, who has previously represented her mother Teresa Giudice.
Where are you headed today?
We're going down the shore. I'm just taking my sister and
Okay. Alright. The reason I stopped is your speed. You're doing 96 miles an hour. So clearly way too fast, right? No problems with your license or anything? No. Have you ever been stopped before? Yeah. When was that? Was it a while ago or? Okay. Let me check your license out, right? Okay.
Found any patrols for an erratic north passing 128. It's going to be for a white Jeep with an unknown reg. That's all over the road, unable to maintain their lanes. The vehicle struck the divider and kept going nothing further, 1957.
A155 red. Three County 028. Keep up me on that. Property check up PNC.
Thanks.
Got a signal 11 southbound 129. Third party, Woodbridge is sending fire and EMS. One car, signal 11, nothing further. How'd you 155?
155, just be advised, sir. It might be the erratic that we just gave out. We're getting a couple calls on it.
Yeah.
Be a warning, okay? Just 96 to 2000.
Apparently, it pays to be famous, because not only did they blur her image, but the trooper also cut her a break by ONLY, citing her for 69 in a 65. Court records indicate that this citation was later dismissed in the Middletown Township Municipal Court on September 9, 2021, without any attorney listed as representing Gia Giudice. In a twist of irony, Gia Giudice was driving the same white 2021 Mercedes belonging to Teresa Giudice that was stolen in February of 2023.
You were getting a ticket, but all the computer and stuff in my car shut down, so you're not getting one. So you kind of lucked out. But 96 miles an hour, normally you get like 1 or 2, all right? Just clearly slow down, all right? You're good to go. No problem. Have a good day.